Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about negoci.com. You should purchase any product on this store or not, and what are the main problems, why you should not purchase. I'm going to provide you 5 major red flags why you should not purchase any product on this store. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we will talk about Negoci. Negoci is not a brand. In today's time, there are lots of product available with the name of Negoci. Okay, and if we talk about like other things, that is like when you visit on internet, there are two stores right now available on internet: Negoci.com, NegociOnline.com. So these are two stores, and these two stores are totally different. And if we talk about like this one, if we talk about like on this store, this is the main store. So this store is approx like 1 year from now, you can see over here. And if we talk about like the trust score of this store is not too good. Okay, and the product they are selling right now related to this kind of you can say like category. This sandal is easily available on different websites, and the Negoci is also selling same kind of product. Okay, and this product is also available on AliExpress, and you can see over here DHgate, and on you can say like Alibaba. And if we talk about like the product they are selling right now, all are available on your screen. So the basic thing, these all products are drop shipping product. Okay, and when you purchase product, there is no guarantee you will get benefits or not. Okay, so if we talk about other issues, that is like return and refund. If you purchase any product on this website, there is also no guarantee you will get your money back or not. If product is not you can say like worthy, if product is damaged, if product is not working as they shown in the advertisement, so you are not able to get your money back. So in some cases, like when you place your order, your money will be deducted, but you will not get your product. So these are the basic issues. And if you have any experience, so please share your thoughts. And if we talk about like issues, I have already mentioned each and everything, so please stay away. And if you have, please share your thoughts. Okay, any experience, please share your thoughts. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.